This video is all about cactus juice. So, depending on what you think, cactus juice is not actually drinkable. So, cactus juice is a juice for cacti or succulents in general. It's plant food for cacti and succulents right there. So this is what I use for feeding all of my succulents, and that is what this episode is all about. Feeding succulents, or feeding your plants in general. So, believe it or not, you cannot just water your plants and really have them survive. Outdoor plants, like trees, get their food from different plants, you know, animals, some of them, all that kind of stuff. Like those little jugular, like, plants that eat ants, you know? This I got from my local Pikes, and this is for feeding your cactus and succulents. Like, right? Plant food for, I said it's right there. Again, it's right there. The instructions on this is: shake before using, mix 1 teaspoon per gallon of water, apply as a soil drench to the base of the plant. Plants can be fed every 2 weeks during the growing season or as needed. Water as needed between feedings. It's super simple. So what I did is I finished a gallon of milk. My family, once we finished one of these, I took it and I put a gallon of water in here and then a teaspoon of that. And so what I do is I put this into my plant waterer. I keep forgetting what those things are called. My plant waterer thing, and I water my succulents and cacti. And then my other plants I just water because I don't have any food for them right now. But let's get into it. So as it says, water every 2 weeks during the growing session or as needed. So it's preferable that you water it during when they're growing, their prime of growing, which is a different video, by the way, or as needed. So if it's been like a month or so, water it, right? Water it with this. But of course, I recommend watering, depending on where you live, right? If the air is dry, if the air is humid, you want to water them around every week, somewhere around there. Your succulents and cacti, that is. I have a different video on air plants if you want to see that. Link will be down in the description. But yes, cactus juice found at Pikes. You could maybe find it at Home Depot, gardening stores. You'll probably see this. A lot of people use this. It's very popular, so I picked it up, and I like the bottle. Of course, we are dealing with chemicals, so after you use them, please wash your hands. Don't rub your eyes or anything like that, because you just don't want to risk blindness. So real quick before I end off this video, I do realize that I've been gone for 2 weeks. I took a trip to Asheville, which was really fun, and then I had a big school starting up, so I need to get all that over with before I started making videos again. But I am back every single Wednesday. Plantcast will be starting next week on Wednesday. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy it, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys really enjoyed it, subscribe and join the notification squad. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.